If you're an independent artist planning to release new music this year, you've got to know about waterfall releases. Today, I'm walking you through exactly what a waterfall release is, why it's so effective, and how you can set one up yourself even if you're using a DIY distributor. Let's jump in. First things first, a waterfall release is a great way to release singles one at a time while stacking them together into a growing project. Here's how it works. You release your first single, just one track. A few weeks later, you release a second single, but this time the new song and the first song are bundled together. Then you release a third single, and now the first two tracks plus the new one are bundled together. And you keep going, building toward a full EP or album. It's called a waterfall because the songs keep flowing together and maintain that consistency. Waterfall releases are crazy effective for a few reasons. Number one, you stay top of mind by releasing music consistently. Your older songs keep getting streamed along with your new ones. Spotify and streaming algorithms love regular updates, so that's great. And you're not starting over with every new single. You're building momentum. Pretty powerful, right? You might be asking, okay, I get it, but how do I set this up, especially if I'm using a DIY distributor like DistroKid or TuneCore? First, you're going to want to plan out your full release schedule ahead of time, knowing how many songs you're dropping, in what order, and plan for about 4 to 6 weeks apart between each release. Then, when you release your first single, go ahead and release it as a regular single, no extras. Make sure you save your ISRC code because that's going to be really important next. When it's time for your second release, upload a new release that includes both the new song and the first song you release. Here's where it gets really important. You have to use the same ISRC code for the first song that you did the first time. This tells Spotify and Apple Music, hey, this is the same track, don't split the streams. And it makes sure all of the streams and metadata that goes with that first single stay with that first single. And that's pretty much it. Repeat that process each time. Each new release should include all of the previous songs, reusing the same ISRC codes for the older tracks, and then adding a new track each time. A couple of pro tips. Always keep your cover art and branding consistent across the drops. Make sure you're using Spotify's pitch tool every time you release. Each new single is a chance to get playlisted, so don't skip that step. Update your link tree and your website and your socials to feature the full growing project, and keep promoting the full collection, not just the newest song. Waterfall releases are one of the smartest DIY strategies out there right now because you're maximizing your streams, you're keeping fans engaged, and you're setting up a full EP or album without disappearing for months at a time. If you're planning your own waterfall release, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear about it. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe and share this with a music friend. Keep it indie, folks.